Hope you had a good BMI session and now you understand your body calorie requirements as well. In this course, we shall talk about the importance of nutrition and how we can use our app to track nutrition and calories. Nutrition simply means making good, balanced and healthy choices when it comes to your diet. Your nutrition choices play the most important role in your diabetes reversal journey. Let's also understand some other benefits of having a nutritious diet. First, it helps in your weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight according to your body composition is a tough task, but switching those junk and unhealthy food items with the healthy ones make the task much easier. Secondly, a nutritious diet boosts your immunity. The immune system of your body requires several vitamins and minerals to keep it performing well. Its proper functioning is important because it keeps you safe from infections, and it is only possible if you stick to a healthy and nutritious diet. Thirdly, maintaining a nutritious diet acts as a shield and protects you from any chronic diseases such as hypertension and obesity. It is seen that poor nutrition leads to obesity, which is the root cause of several other chronic and life-threatening diseases such as heart disease and kidney failure. When you stick to a healthy and nutritious diet, it helps you to maintain your mental health as well as you feel energetic and happy. This obviously has become important in today's chaotic world. Well, a nutritious diet should include food and drinks with the right balance of macronutrients such as protein, fiber and low carbs. They should also contain micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals. We understand that facing high blood sugar levels, maintaining a nutritious diet and counting calories at the same time is an uphill battle for a diabetic person. But don't worry. Through our mobile app and dietitian support, we have tried to make this journey a lot simpler for you. So let's first talk about the tools you can use in our mobile app. For starters, you can always refer to Eat or Not to Eat tool in our app. Based on extensive research, our team has prepared a list of foods including vegetables, fruits and meals that you should eat or avoid. We have considered multiple factors such as calories, macronutrients, micronutrients, glycemic index and glycemic loads. Foods have been color-coded as red. These are the foods that are not suitable for diabetic patient and should be avoided at all times. Orange. These are the ones that should be eaten in a lesser quantity, only when you have cravings. Green. These foods are good for diabetic patient and are recommended for diabetic reversals by our expert. So simple, whenever you are on the dinner table or at a restaurant, just use the list to decide which food to keep in your plate and which to not. The second tool that you should use daily is the nutrition tracker. As a diabetic, you should not only track your calories but also your carb intake, macro and micronutrients. Our nutrient tracker helps you track all these. It's very simple to use. Just add your breakfast, lunch and dinner meals to our app. We already have a list of over 10,000 plus food products with the nutrition value pre-feed in the app. You can just choose from this list and be done. If you can't find a food item, you can manually add it in our app or even request our health coaches to get it added for you. We urge you to be regular in tracking your food, as this plays one of the most important roles in your diabetes reversal. Above all, you can drop in a message to our dietitian anytime to clarify your nutrition related doubts. Our nutritionist and the dietitian not only provide you with a diet plan or chart, rather they make sure the adaptation process from current habits to the new one is not tough for you. They tell you accurately when and where to make changes. And not just that, they even make sure that you stick to it to achieve your goal of reversing your diabetes. Time to explore these tools. Please refer to the links in the description to get started. Also friends, if you find this video helpful, then please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you will never miss any diabetes related update. Thank you.